Hi everyone, I'm Lawrence Ross, the artist and founder of String of the Art. At stringoftheart.com, we sell incredible adult arts and craft kits. One of our popular kits are our punch needle kits. And in this video, we'll be discussing how you'll stretch your monk's cloth out on your framed hoop. All our punch needle kits include one sheet of monk's cloth and a framed hoop. In order to apply this step, please review our previous video about tracing your pattern template onto your monk's cloth. When the pattern template is traced on the monk's cloth, you're ready for this video. Your framed hoop comes with two pieces. In order to unsecure the two pieces, you must twist the lock at the top. Using your hand or a screwdriver, unscrew it and the two pieces will release. One hoop is smaller and one hoop will be larger. Place the smaller loop in front of you and the larger loop to the side. When the smaller loop is in front of you, now take your monk's cloth and lay it on top. Then bring over your larger hoop and lay it on top. Pressing down, you want the two ends to meet. Twist the lock until the monk's cloth and the two hoops are secure. When the lock is tightened, stretch out the monk's cloth by pulling it in all directions. Center the pattern template on the hoop. You will want to stretch the monk's cloth until it is very tight, like a drum. When stretching the monk's cloth, make sure to center the pattern template. The tighter the monk's cloth, the easier it is to punch.